This video is an introduction to PRYMEBLU accessories for the push-to-talk app Zello. Many people are still using regular cellular-style audio accessories with their push-to-talk app. These accessories are great for phone calls and listening to music, but lack a button for push-to-talk. PRYME offers wireless PTT buttons at affordable prices for people who are satisfied with their current headset but need a wireless PTT button. PRYME also offers audio accessories equipped with a PTT button. PRYMEBLU Audio Accessories and PTT buttons are compatible with Android and Apple iOS devices. The BTH300 is our lapel microphone. It provides a clip-on PTT button and microphone with a standard 3.5mm audio jack. The BTH300 is generally sold as a kit with one of our earpiece options at a discounted price. So select a kit when you order. It will also work with a standard 3.5mm wired earbuds or headset if you do not see a kit you like. If you need something with a longer battery life or do not want to use an earpiece, you can consider our BTH550 or BTH600. These remote speaker microphones perform much the same and feature a 3.5mm audio jack. They offer 40 hours of talk time, whereas the BTH300 talk time is long enough for a busy 8-hour shift. The BTH550 is smaller than the BTH600, has a rotary volume control knob, and an optional drop-in desktop charger. The BTH600 is more robust than the BTH550. It has push-button volume controls and a hard plastic PTT button. If you are working in a noisy environment and need hearing protection, we have 3 different dual earmuff headset options available. All 3 styles perform much the same, but mount differently. All 3 styles provide 23 dB of noise reduction. All 3 feature a PTT button and an active noise-canceling boom microphone. All PRYMEBLU audio accessories come with a charger, charging cable, and instructions to help you pair the accessory with your device. If you have a wired or wireless earbuds or headset that you are happy with but need a PTT button, consider a mini or super mini PTT button. The mini comes standard with an elastic Velcro strap and has an optional silicone cover for dusty and moist environments. For the super mini, you will need to select one of our current styles: fob, ring, or Velcro strap. Both the Mini and Super Mini come with a CR2032 battery that is good for over a year of use. Now let us demo some PRYMEBLU accessories. Cell phone earbuds with a BT PTT Z versus the BTH 600 ZU. I'm Jesse Anderson with PRYME Radio Products. Ken, the tech service manager, is giving me some training on PRYME. And now we're going to demo some accessories. I have in my hand the BT PTT Z. Hey Ken, are you there? This is Jesse.
Yeah, hi Jesse, I'm here. You're coming through loud and clear.
That's great. That's great. What accessory are you using?
This is a PRYMEBLU BTH 600 speaker microphone. What's your setup?
I'm using my cell phone with my cell phone earbuds, and then I'm using the PTZ Mini, or the BT PTT Z Mini from PRYME.
That's great. It sounds good.
Yeah, I think this is a pretty affordable option. The Mini, the button's great. I can just keep the phone in my pocket the whole time.